Hello friends, welcome to lesson 59. Let's get our hands ready for action. We bring our thumb of the right hand to string number 5, index on the third, middle on the second, and ring finger on the first string. And then we make sure that our fingers are curved and we lift them a little bit, staying very close to the strings. And then we prepare left hand, bringing finger 1 close to string number 2, fret number 1, and finger number 3 close to string number 5, fret number 3, and finger number 2 close to string number 4, fret number 2, which gives us the shape of a C major chord. We can actually press finger 1 and 3 to be ready to start, and finger 2 we're going to use it on beat number 2, so we don't need to put it there just now. Now, beat number 1 starts with that position that we already have there, and the finger picking pattern: thumb, ring, middle, index. That's P, A, M, I. And then beat 2, we bring finger 2 to string 4, fret 2, and we remove finger 3 from the 5th string. And now the thumb is going to play string number 4, ring string number 1, middle string number 2, and index string number 3. So that's P, A, M, I. Let's see the full measure. And then to go into measure number 2, we are going to remove finger 2 and bring finger 1 from string number 2 to string number 1 in the same fret, fret number 1. We are also going to need strings number 4, 3, and 2 open. The finger picking pattern is the same as before. Thumb plays string number 4, ring finger, middle finger, and index finger play the same strings all throughout the lesson. Let's see that again. P, A, M, I. Then to go into beat number 2, we bring finger 3 all the way to string number 6, fret number 3, leaving finger 1 right where we had it on string number 1, fret number 1. And here the finger picking pattern changes. We're going to pluck string number 6 with the thumb, and then we are going to pluck 3 strings simultaneously. Strings 1, 2, and 3. We use the same fingers that we have been using for those strings. Ring finger plays string number 1, middle finger plays string number 2, and index finger plays string number 3. Let's see the full second measure. To go into measure number 3, we're going to remove finger 3, keep finger 1 right where we have it on string 1, fret 1, and press finger 2 on string number 5, fret number 2. On the right hand, the thumb is going to play string number 5, and we go back to the first finger picking pattern. P, A, M, I. And then to go into the beat number 2, we play string number 4 as we remove finger number 2. A, M, I. Let's see measure number 3 again. To go into measure number 4, we're going to bring finger number 3 to string 5, fret 3. And finger number 1, we're going to change it from string 1 to string number 2. On the right hand, the thumb is going to pluck string number 5. Same finger picking pattern as before. Thumb, ring, middle, index. Then we bring finger number 3 from string 5 to string 6, same fret, number 3, and we keep finger 1 right where we had it, string number 2, fret number 1. We play string number 6 with the thumb, and then with index, middle, and ring fingers, we play the first 3 strings at the same time. Let's see measure number 4 again. To go into measure number 5, we're going to remove all the fingers that we have on the strings and bring finger number 2 to string number 2, fret number 2, as we play open 5th with the thumb, string number 1 with the ring finger, middle finger plays string number 2, and index string number 3. Then we bring finger 1 to string number 4, fret number 2, and we play string number 4 with the thumb. And the rest of the fingers do the same thing that they have been doing so far. So measure number 5 then is to go into measure number 6, we are going to bring finger 1 from where we have it all the way to string number 1, fret number 1. Finger 2, we move it from string number 2 to string number 3 on the same fret number 2, and finger 3 on string number 2, fret number 3. Same finger picking pattern as before, thumb plays string number 4. So that's P, A, M, I. And then we play string number 5 open with the thumb, and first 3 strings simultaneously. Let's hear measure number 6 again. To go into measure number 7, we're going to bring finger 3 from string 2 all the way to string number 6, same fret number 3. We're going to remove finger 2, and we're going to move finger 1 from string 1 to string number 2. Same finger picking pattern as the beginning. Thumb plays string number 6. P, A, M, I. Then, to play beat number 2, we bring finger 2 to string number 5, fret number 2. We remove finger 3 and bring it to string number 4, fret number 3. And we are going to use finger 4 to press string number 2, fret number 3. We are also going to need open 3rd string. And the right hand is going to play thumb on string number 5. Simultaneously, we're going to play strings number 4, 3, and 2. 4 with index, 3 with middle, and 2 with ring finger, but at the same time. So beat number 2 would be, let's hear measure number 7 once again. And to go into measure number 8, the ending of the lesson, we bring finger 3 from string number 4 to string number 5, same fret number 3. We bring finger 2 from string number 5 to string number 4, same fret number 2. And we use finger 1 to press on string 2, fret number 1, removing finger 4. We play string number 5 with the thumb, strings 4, 3, and 2 at the same time, and then string number 5 once again. Let's see measure number 8 one more time. Measure 7 and 8 are probably the most complicated of the lesson, so let's see 7 and 8 in succession. And that's lesson 59. As usual, in the description box, you're going to find a link to a play-along video at a slow tempo, so you can practice it with me, and other useful resources. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I hope this video has been useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Keep enjoying the process.